The feeling of a salon blow-dry is hard to beat. We aim to bring that salon feeling home so you can feel your best. The Hesley hair dryer creates unforgettably beautiful blowouts, designed with advanced heat technology, which taps into your hair's natural moisture and prevents over-drying while delivering maximum shine. The narrow air concentrator is ideal for precision styling on straight, smooth hair. The 2200 watts max power motor delivers salon performance to dry hair in no time. For customizable styling, this salon performance styling dryer features 3 temperature settings, along with a low and high speed setting. With an easy flick of the rocker switch, any combination of these settings can be used to match your hair texture and length. Lock in your style with the cool shot button that provides a blast of cold air to hold your look all day long. The dryer has a hanging look for convenient storage. Bring home the Hesley Ultimate Smooth Dryer. Fast styling, beautiful results.